Hi guys, welcome back. So have you guys ever wanted to know what your ethnicity was, but you didn't want to pay for a DNA test or take a DNA test to figure out what your ethnicity is? This website actually helps you do that, helps you figure out what your ethnicity is due to your ancestors on your family tree. So this website is called Pedigree Pie. It kind of has a weird web address. You type pedigree-pie dot all that gibberish. But if you Google Pedigree Pie, it should be on the top of the list of websites. So this is what the homepage looks like before signing in. And we're gonna go sign into Family Search because that's how it's going to get the information, is it's going to look at our tree on Family Search. This is actually a third-party website that works with Family Search, but it's not Family Search. So let's click login. Now it's going to have you sign into Family Search. So I'm gonna hurry and do that. If you guys haven't ever been to this website before, right after you sign in, it's going to come up with another page saying, hey, will you accept these terms of agreements for Pedigree Pie? And then you just click accept and it should bring you to Pedigree Pie. So let me sign in and we'll take it from there. Okay, so here we are back at Pedigree Pie, and it was just loading the pie chart and now it's loaded. So let me scroll down. Okay, I've scrolled down so that you could see the whole pie chart. So this is pretty much what it is. It's a pie chart here in the middle of the screen, and then it will color code each one of your ancestors going back. Right now it says 6 generations, and it will show what country they were born in due to the colors. So like over here it says all the green ones are Denmark, all the dark blue are England, all the browner reddish colors are Mexico, all the light blue are American or United States. Red is unknown. And then orange is New Mexico, which is funny that they list New Mexico. But whatever. So now you can just kind of view that and see that on the cute little pie chart. So the box on the left side will show you those color codings and what they mean. The box on the right side, it actually shows you percentages. So it says here that 35% are United States or American, 33.2% are England, and then you can go down and see like we have 0.39% Scottish and Wales. And now we have these cute little percentages. Some websites don't give you the percentage, they just kind of list and tell you how many are born in those countries. And then you kind of have to do the math to do the percentages, but I like how this website gives you the percentages. So back up here to the top. So right here at the top in the middle, it says that we're actually looking at your 6-time great grandparents. But if you want to go further down the tree, you just slide the little bar, and now you're showing 4-time great grandparents. Or just you if you slide all the way down to the other end. See just you, or your 6-time great grandparents. So up here on the top right hand side is if you want to change the main person in the middle. So if you want to look at like your grandparents and see what their ethnicity is compared to yours, you can put their ID number, their personal ID number on Family Search and plug it in right here, and they will become the center of the tree. Or you can put in like your spouse's ID number in, or anybody else's you want. So now to these little switches right here. We have single generation and multiple generation. They're actually going to work at the same time. So if I click single generation, it's just going to show the single generation, and see it's also flipped multiple generations. And then if I click multiples, it's just going to switch to back to multiples and switch the singles off. So I don't know why they have it on there twice, but they do. So now the single generation's on, and now I can see just one generation. In this case, it is the 6-time great-grandparents generation, and we can now see that what all their ethnicities are, or where they were all born. I can slide the indicator down to the 4th-time great-grandparents and see where they are all born. So you just are looking at one generation at a time when you turn on the single generation switch. We're going to turn that off. We're going to go back to 6th generation. Now we've done single, multiple generations. Now we have Extrapolate Unknowns. So if we switch this, we now have different colors on our pie chart. What this is doing is, before it was guessing some of the generations what their ethnicities are, and now it's not guessing those anymore. So all these black ones here say that these people are not on Family Search, so they can't figure out what ethnicity they are. We go down to like the next red person. It will say yes, they are in Family Search, but their ethnicity or birthplace is unknown, just because it isn't entered in on Family Search. This is more similar to what your true ethnicity would be due to Family Search or what's on your Family Search tree, versus when you switch it to the other way where you have the full pie chart, because they're just guessing where all your ancestors are born when this one, the Extrapolate Unknown, is turned on. So yeah, you can switch those back and forth and figure out the difference between them guessing versus what truly is on your family tree. Now, see, look, all those percentages are totally different. United States is different, England is different. Now we have unidentified, and now we have also unknown added in to the percentage. So now I have scrolled back up, and we are going to go over these little tabs up here at the top. So first one is go back to my pie. It's just going to go back to the main person who signed in. Refresh is just going to refresh the page. Contact, if you click contact, it will bring up a new tab telling you about the company who created this website and how to contact them. Same for the FHTL website. It's going to bring up a new tab talking about the company who has created this website and get to know more about them. And then just logging out so that another person can log in. So I like this website, and having it show what my ethnicity or my husband's ethnicity is, because it shows it in a nice, clean, beautiful pie chart. It would be cool if it had a map to go with it, but there are other websites that do maps. But it does show it in a nice, cute, clean pie chart. And then it also gives you percentages, whereas a lot of other websites don't give you percentages. They just give you numbers of how many people are born in each place. And then you have to do the math for the percentages. But I like how they do show you the percentages here. So I hope you guys liked this video, and it was very informative and helped you guys figure out a website that can show you what your ethnicity is without actually taking a DNA test, or be able to compare what your ethnicity is on your family tree versus what your ethnicity is on your DNA test. And see how similar those two are or how different they are. If you guys have any questions, please comment below. I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. If you guys have any suggestions on anything else I should film, please also comment below. And I hope you guys all have a beautiful week. Bye.